Today, we will be taking a look at the best gas grills to buy this year. And as usual, in the description below, we have the links to all the gas grills mentioned in this video. If you think we missed out any grills on our list, please let us know in the comment below. Be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Weber Q1200. The Weber Q1200 is interesting in that it comes in a fun range of colors including titanium, red, orange, green, blue, and black. This is a portable grill in every conceivable way. It is practically a tabletop grill that you can set up on any flat surface. You might also purchase the accompanying stand if you don't want to use a tabletop. The cooktop consists of 2 grates that you can easily remove, and there is a single burner that circles the base. It only runs on propane, and it has a small area where you can trap grease with a tin pan. This is the sort of grill you travel with, as it has no frills or accessories. You turn it on, grill, clean up, and move on. And since it's made by Weber, you can be sure of the quality and cooking power you get. Number 4. CharBroil Classic 3-burner propane gas grill. Gas grills tend to be more expensive than their charcoal counterparts, but this one won't break the budget. It doesn't have some of the bells and whistles you'll find on more expensive models, but it still does a great job grilling steaks and burgers, with plenty of space for more. Because it's not large, many reviewers who live in small spaces love that it's easy to move, but still offers enough space to prep and cook food for a small gathering. It offers 360 square inches of primary grilling space on the porcelain-coated grates, along with 170 square inches on the handy swing-away warming rack that can keep finished foods at serving temperature. This grill has 3 burners that provide a total of 30,000 BTUs of cooking power for great searing or low and slow cooking and for perfect barbecue ribs. 2 metal side shelves are handy for holding sauces and plates, while the 2 wheels make it easy to move the grill into the perfect place for grilling. Number 3. Weber Genesis 2 E335. The Genesis 2 E355 is another fine grill from Weber. If nothing else, you can be sure of getting a quality appliance. While this grill mirrors the Spirit 2 E310 reviewed later, it has some upgraded features that are sure to please the more serious grillers out there. You will see the same configuration with 3 burners, 2 side tables, and a rack with wheels. You also have a thermometer on the hood, as well as an internal rack for your buns or items that should be off the heat. The first upgrade is what Weber called the Sear Station, a high heat zone activated by a small knob in the middle of the grates. The increase in temperature allows you to sear a specific piece of meat. This is an efficient way to create grill marks without turning up every burner so high that you dry out everything on the grill, wasting gas or propane in the process. One of the side tables is fitted with a sauté or simmer burner. This burner has a flip-up cover and it burns just like a gas burner in your house. You can work on a sauce or veggies or even roast peppers over the open flame. When you turn off the burner, you can quickly close the cover for safety. There is even a thermometer that attaches to a proprietary app. You can check the temperature inside the grill from anywhere. You can run it on propane or natural gas, and you can choose between black or stainless steel to match your outdoor decor. The base of the device has 2 doors and a closed storage area. This cabinet can hold all of your grilling supplies, and because it's fully enclosed, You will keep your supplies out of the elements. This is also a good place to stash food as it comes off the grill. Number 2. Char-Broil Performance 300. The Performance 300 is the sort of grill you go for when you want to save some money. This is a smaller grill for smaller spaces, gardens, and decks. It comes with wheels, making it easy to move, and it has a solid metal hood that helps trap heat. You only get 2 burners, which is just enough space for one large grate and one small grate. Despite the grill's size, you get a warming rack on the inside, 2 side tables, a cabinet underneath with a nice door and handle, and a thermometer right on top. This is purely a propane grill, which means there's no natural gas option. However, you likely would want to spend more money anyway if you were fixing a grill to your deck, patio, or garden with a gas line. Stainless steel burners will last for quite a long time. Plus, they are easier to clean. You can fold down the side tables, remove the grease trap easily, and the electric starter gives you instant heat. Number 1. Weber Spirit 2 E310. This grill comes from Weber, which you may know as the king of all grilling companies. With 3 burners and enough rack space for at least 9 well-sized burgers, you can be sure of entertaining comfortably. You can mount up on the wheels and move the grill if needed, and it comes with 2 side tables that allow you to store all your grilling supplies, set ingredients aside, and stack all the meat you've just taken off the grill. There's even a shelf on the bottom where you can store other supplies out of the way. A little thermometer on the hood lets you know how much heat you have built up, and you can easily remove the grease tray. You can run the Weber Spirit 2 E310 on propane or natural gas, depending on the style you choose. When shopping online, make sure you pick the appropriate style so you're not surprised when it arrives. You can choose from black, ivory, red, or blue to suit the color scheme of your deck or patio. And a bonus option, the CharGriller 50/50 Duo Gas and Charcoal Grill. Gas grills are convenient to use, but sometimes the flavor of smoke and charcoal is what's needed. This grill can do both, with one side fired by gas and the other ready to be filled with charcoal. The gas side has 3 burners that provide a total of 40,800 BTUs of cooking power for excellent searing of steaks, sausages, and burgers. There's also a 12,000 BTU side burner that our tester found is powerful enough to heat a sizable pot. This side burner is also great for simmering sauces or boiling water for steaming corn on the cob if it's not going to be grilled. When not in use, the side burner has a cover that converts it to a handy side table. On the charcoal side, the fire grate is adjustable for perfect cooking, and there's an easy dump ash pan to make cleanup simple. 2 chimney-style vents let the cook adjust smoke and temperature. This has porcelain-coated cast iron grates for perfect sear marks on steaks and easy cleaning when grilling is done. Each side has 438 square inches of primary cooking space, along with a 384 square inch warming rack, so there's plenty of room for cooking no matter which fuel is used. Each side also has its own temperature gauge in the lid for easy monitoring of the internal temperature. For even more versatility, a side smoker box is available for separate purchase. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below.